Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can scrape thousands of leads for free for your marketing agency. Okay, so let's dive into the video without wasting any time. First off, we are going to need instant data scraper. So this data scraper is just a Google extension which can be used to scrape data quickly, and it's absolutely free, so you're not going to pay for anything. You just have to use some tactics to make sure that you are scraping the maximum amount of data. Okay, so let's see. All right, so we have already added this to our extension, and the next thing that we are going to do, you can scrape the data from Google Maps as well, but the Google Maps in that you don't have the next button option, and in this data scraper you need to locate at least one next button option which can run the loop, and you can start scraping more data in less time. So we are going to try out a business called Yellow Pages. I think if you've heard of the software, the website called, so you must have heard of a software called a website called Just Dial in India. It gives you the details, information of the businesses. Yellow Page is exactly the same. It does the same thing for businesses in US and also some other country. So let's say we have Dallas, Texas area. So let's say we are looking for dentists in Dallas, Texas area. Okay, so now we have this search result. And let's say you are running a marketing agency for dentists, and you want to find or work with more dentists. So this is how you can download their details, their entire details, their phone number, their names, all their details, even if they have a website or not. So you can download that as well. So once you open this website and type your niche, whatever it is, dentist, chiropractor, med spa, whatever it is, then you have to just go over the instant data scraper, make sure that you pin it here, and boom. When you run it, you'll see this will only scrape one page, and the data that will be collected is going to be 30, right? So which is very less. You don't want that. You want all the data over this page to be scraped for your business, okay, for your marketing agency. So this is exactly how we are going to do this. We are going to locate next button, and once we do that, just going to select this one. So this is the next button, and once we do that, and we'll come back here, start crawling. Okay, so now see, so this will start crawling, and you see, so we have 2 pages scraped. We have I think that's all the details that we have over here. Oh wow, I have to refresh. Okay, I think once you download the Google Chrome extension, make sure to refresh the page so that it's going to, okay, so let's just start crawling once more and see how many pages can you scrape. Okay, so you see the scraping has started, and now we have scraped 3, 4, and this will keep on scraping as long as we have data here. Okay, so you see this keeps rolling. That's the crawler doing its job. So you see we have almost scraped 237 leads, and just probably I think we have scraped about 237 data files, and you can see all these so business names, category, we are looking for the phone number. So you see the phone number here, and the address, locality. Okay, so now we have scraped about 237. If you want to add more, I think we can scrape more. Let's see. Okay, so this is started scraping more. As long as you are scraping more data, and as long as, let's say, you need thousands or whatever is the requirement, just keep scraping. And I think so just you have to keep refreshing, and this will keep scraping. Let's see. Yeah, okay, I think that's all the data that we have. All right, so now what we are going to do, you are going to download this CSV file, and let's say, okay, so once you have downloaded this file, downloads, Go ahead and open this, and now you have to do some cleanup because you cannot just import this entire data files. So you have to do some cleanups and you have to delete all the columns which is not going to be important. So A, B, C, business names. So this is the actual business name, so you can delete these columns, delete selected columns. So then you have business name. Okay, so we have business name, category, you don't need the category, but category reference, you don't need that. Category 2, need that. If you want to add more details to it, you can keep this one. But you see how detailed this is. Like, you can get the entire list, entire detail, every single detail that you want from this scraping tool. So category, you don't need to get these. Websites, you can get the websites as well. So let's say if you want to create a page for them, let's say if you already talked to them and you already convinced them for a meeting, Zoom meeting. So I'll say I can go ahead and prepare a doc and everything for them. Also, you can give them the presentation of their SEO, like, okay, this is your website and this is how it's ranking and this is how you can improve. So this will be a free value to them, and it will be very helpful when you are trying to close them. Okay, so you see the phone number, street address, and locality, and you see these are the reviews. So just clean these data, that's all. Like, you just have to clean these. Alright guys, so this is how you can scrape data, unlimited data technically, from Instant Data Scraper tool. Hope this video helps you with your SMMA journey, and if you have any question, feel free to drop a comment, ask me anytime. Alright, see you in the next video.